person's lost. Look at their walking.
It was windy. Look at
A
that.
bunch of people walking.
Oh.
Well, no people. People are prohibited.
All right, we just went to
Okay,
security
right here.
No, that's
checkpoint
number one.
and
National Bridge
let's see,
Plaza.
Memorial
Plaza.
Bridge, Hoover Dam
I
straight.
go there?
No,
No,
because you
just
look how you have to
Just
climb.
go straight.
Y'all
You see
yell
how
at
we
me?
have to climb?
Listen, Sharon has on a boot.
You told me
Can't-
not. First you yell at me for not pulling in. Now you don't want me.
Wait, what was that
Well,
called?
we can't stop there on the way back. All right.
Yeah. What was
We're
it
going
called?
to the Hoover Dam.
Memorial something.
Railroad Trail. Pick up and drop. Oh, that's people going on trails.
Yeah, there's the damn. Holy crap, look at that line.
Tours.
15 mile an hour. I better slow down. That's no fun.
See, there's a spot.
Look how windy it is. Oh my goodness.
See, that's where you get up and walk. You wanted to walk up to that? Holy crap.
Oh man.
It will be. They got wheelchair accessible.
Jump on my back. I'll probably,
Piggyback
I think I can
ride.
make it.
Look at that, guys.
Oh, that is cool.
There it is. Get your video. Video.
I've been videoing.
Oh,
Oh, we have?
hey, the tower fell over.
See? So you can stop. Oh, you can't stop there. You can stop and walk there.
Parking straight, or what do I want to do here?
You want to
Tour
park?
buses.
I mean, park?
Yeah. Why not?
I don't know.
You gotta park somewhere. There's
Drive.
parking over there too.
Oh, you can drive over it.
Oh. Well, they're parking up there too.
So we turn around and go that way?
Just park here and walk. Since we're here.
They have, this is a cafe here too.
Oh, wow.
It's the Hoover Dam. And we're gonna walk that way around and go up on there. Super cool. Awesome. I can't see this. I don't know if you guys can.
That someday, sometime, future civilizations will find their way here. And with no other means of communicating, might look upon this monument and determine the exact date which the engineers and craftsmen of our culture completed.
Those are cool.
To assist these future visitors, the sculpture also created a celestial watch, or wheel of time. The yellow part on the floor is actually a complete circle, showing 26,000 Earth years, or one great year, or Platonic year in astronomy.
That's cool. Can you guys see that? The sun is super bright, so I don't know what I'm zooming on, but look, the rock's two different colors. It's like white on the bottom and then darker on the top. And the water is so blue. Alright guys, so we're in Nevada. And there's Nevada time. And so we're gonna walk across here and we're gonna be in Arizona. Isn't that cool? So here's Nevada, it's 12:30. And we'll go see what time it is in Arizona. That is beautiful. Beautimus. 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 Oh my goodness. Just gonna stop so you guys can look at this for a second. It's so pretty. There's a nice breeze. It's not hot. It's wonderful. Okay, Bonnie, just for you. Just around the river bend. We're in Arizona. Guess there's a motorcycle thing here. Super loud. They're almost gone. Oh, they are. They're like mini bikes.
The biggest bike was,
didn't
the biggest
notice.
bike was 200, most of them were 125.
That's funny.
I like that. I don't want to know.
Okay, guys, we walked all the way to Arizona, and it's the same time over here. I know, isn't that cool? Oh, I don't want to drop my phone. If you pour water over, it comes back up. It doesn't go down.
He was just doing it.
Isn't that cool?
Water blew right back up. You better be careful.
I know I'm going to drop my phone. Let's see. I didn't bring any water. Oh my. Alright, here we are. Here it is. It's really high. My legs are shaking. I'm afraid of heights. Sharon's not. Oh my gosh. Yeah. But what if it falls? You guys look over the edge, okay? You tell me what it looks like.
I got a quarter.
Oh my gosh, Robert's looking. Don't say it's cracked.
A big old crack.
There's a crack. Oh my gosh, guys. This is so beautiful. Alright, I'm going to end it here on our trip to the Hoover Dam. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please push the subscribe button so you can see more videos. And this is a trip without the dogs, so they're not in this video. You guys have a wonderful rest of the day wherever you may be. And I'm going to go have a wonderful rest of the day where I am. And we'll see you later.